First, it is one of the most seasoned and most prominent topographical developments on the planet. It is accepted to date that back in the Jurassic period, the wave in Arizona was shaped. It is the best land development on the planet. It was shaped when the Sweet rises compacted and set into striped sandstones. The curious and interesting fluctuating layer was made by sluggish breeze and downpour disintegration. It is one of the most established and most noteworthy land arrangements on the planet. It is said that it was essentially not known until the 1990s, when it was generally promoted on German travel pamphlets and was additionally highlighted in the 1996 film Faszination Natur. Second, openness of the Vermilion Precipices public landmark. The arrangement of the wave is arranged on the slants of the Coyote Buttes in the Paria Gulch Vermilion Bluffs, wild of the Colorado level. Hence, it makes it conceivable to get to the Vermilion Bluffs, which are a country landmark. This bluff offers the best of northern Arizona's wild. It is likewise lined by Kaibab Public Timberland and Glen Ravine Public Amusement Region, taking into account that a portion of the surprising geographical developments in the unified state are tracked down in the northern part of Arizona. They are moored by a disconnected labyrinth of the stone development known as Vermilion Precipice. The Vermilion Bluff was picked as a site to once again introduce the California condor into nature. To get to the bluff, you are to have grants for day climbing, not entirely settled by the lottery framework. Different regions inside the Paria Ravine Vermilion Precipice incorporate the Paria Gorge and Buckskin Ravine. Third, the wave can be trying to find. Because of reality that there is no settled nor an undeniable path, finding the wave can challenge. The climbers should pick their course across the open desert, which requires navigating through the uncovered sandstone, hill, and sandy wash bottoms. Each allowed climber is given a proper aid sheet to empower them to explore to the wave. The aid is planned in such a manner that they utilize a compass, GPS, or visual route. There are 6 designated spots, by which every designated spot incorporates an undeniable variety photograph of the landscape ahead. Fourth, it's the most photographed landscape in the United States. The wave in Arizona is viewed as perhaps of the most shot seen in the U.S. Consistently, climbs will generally scramble to get the couple of licenses conceded to climb to see the arrangement. Something like 20 climbers in a day are permitted, taking into account that there are around several thousand of individuals that apply consistently to be picked as one of the fortunate explorers. It is said that the best time for the climbers to photo the dreamlike magnificence of Arizona's waves is during the noontime to mid-evening when there are not many shadows. 5. It's a tourist attraction. Because of the accessibility of the web today, the wave is perhaps of the most renowned element on the planet. The wave draws in individuals from everywhere in the world, by which north of 1,000 individuals in a day apply for only 20 grants. The grant is directed for a considerable length of time before the month where the license is to be looked for. This is finished through a web-based lottery. The quantity of explorers is restricted because of the staggering fame of the site, subsequently driving the Agency of Land the Board to restrict people strolling through in the gorge, in this manner safeguarding the respectability and excellence of the wave. The climbers are profoundly encouraged that the best opportunity to visit the wave is during one or the other spring or fall, since the weather conditions is neither too warm nor excessively cold. During summer, it's anything but an optimal chance to visit since the temperatures can surpass 100 degrees, while during winter it very well may be conceivable, however not high recommended since the temperature are generally cold around evening time yet gentle during the day.